time someone signs up for this offer, we're getting paid $53 CPA, meaning we are not getting affected by refunds. If 10 people sign up today, this is $500 already, and we keep the money. How cool is that? So you want to make money, but you don't want to put the work and the time and the effort. I feel you. I was there. I wanted to make a lot of money online. I wanted to make them fast. I wanted to make them easy. I didn't want to put a lot of effort. So here's the thing. Today I'm going to show you the easiest, the fastest, and the most simple way you can earn money online. Yes, it requires works. Yes, you need to put some effort and time, but I've been doing this for maybe 10 years now. And I'm going to show you proof, live proof right now on this video, because I was there. Sick and tired of people trying to find the new thing, the new AI software, the new tool that is going to help them make the money. No, let's cut all of that noise and go back to the roots, because in reality people are trying to overcomplicate things. We should go with simplicity, and I'm gonna show, like I said, live proof. Some of my students are still making money from what I showed them 5 years ago. It's insane. And probably right now you're thinking,
who the heck are you, man?
In the past 10 years, more than 10 years, I've been generating hundreds of thousands of dollars with affiliate marketing, and on top of that I've helped hundreds of people, my students, to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars. And if you're still not convinced, ClickBank, one of the top affiliate networks in the world, reached out to me asking me if I wanted to work with them together. So I have something that I'm gonna share with you that is going to make you a lot of money, but you have to execute. Quick disclaimer here, you can fail, and you probably will fail, but if you're persistent, the strategy I'm about to show you will make you a lot of money. And so why affiliate marketing? Well, like I said, this is the best business model that you can use to make money fast and easy without any hustle, without any upfront investment. Another benefit of this is affiliate marketing is constantly growing, whereas other industries like real estate, dropshipping, e-commerce, they have ups and downs. Affiliate marketing, it doesn't. Let me show you. So in Google, affiliate marketing stats, if I type that, you can see this graph. It's always growing. This is from Supermetrics, very valuable and trustworthy website. As you can see, from 2010, 81 of the advertisers and 84 of the publishers in the US turned to affiliate marketing. Look at this, from 2010 to $2 billion in spending. This is in billions of dollars, to now, actually this is in 2022, this is last year, it's almost like 8 billion. So we have huge potential, but we have to cut the noise. What I mean by that, let's go back to the roots and see how we can make money without any fancy or underground softwares or projects or tools, etc. What we need is simple. We need an offer, then we need traffic, and then we need this traffic to buy the offer, and this is how we make our commission. Looks simple, right? And it actually is. So this is Pinterest. Pinterest.com, one of a very big traffic sources that is very neglected by 99% of the marketers, because people, I guess, they don't know how to use it. But with Pinterest, I was the first one, and my business partner at the time, Brian, we've cracked the code on Pinterest 5 years ago. So as you can see, this is one of my videos about complete Pinterest ads tutorial. And yes, we're talking about ads. Why ads? Because first, it's very fast, it's very quick to see results, and if you don't know how to set up ads, it's very easy. You can watch this video that I'm showing you right now, is going to teach you how to set up the ads. But in this video, we've spent, Brian and I, $122,000 in ads. Now think about it, if we didn't make money, would we have ever spent that much money? The answer is of course no. Probably 70 or 80% of that money is profit. Basically, we've spent like $120,000, we made like $200,000-300,000, so profit is around 100K. Of course, we didn't start with like thousands of dollars. We started small with 20-15 bucks a day in ad spend. You can see this video is 3 years ago. This video was uploaded 3 years ago. Now, why this still works? Well, if we go on Pinterest, this is a Pinterest statistic I'm gonna show you in just a bit, but if we go on Pinterest, and if I type, this is Pinterest.com, and in the search box, I type cool gifts. Bear with me, I'm gonna explain you. If it's still messy for you, I'm gonna explain you in just a second what's going on. In Pinterest, I type cool gifts. I hit enter and I scroll down. What I want to see here is, do people promote offers? Do people spend money on this topic or keyword? And if I go here, we can see this pin that says promoted by, meaning that these people are paying for Pinterest to show them this ad to other people. And look what it says. Here are 23 of the coolest gifts for 2023. Now, guess what? Probably this is one of my students, because this person is promoting 23 of the coolest gifts for 2023. But guess what? If I go back to my video from YouTube where I spent 120 G's on ads, look at my ads. 21 insanely cool gifts your family will love, etc, etc. A 3 years old video, and actually I used these ads a year before this video, so someone is still using it because we see this ad. Guys, we need to stop looking at the shiny objects. I just proved you that someone is still making a lot of money. And like I said, probably this is my student because I have a course where I teach people and I taught people how to use Pinterest ads to make money. Now, if I click this ad, let me click open it on a new tab so we can see the exact landing page. And I have videos for that as well. I'm going to, all the resources and all the additional videos you want to see, you're going to see them down in the description below. So this is a listicle landing page. And you can see this on my channel. I've created this live on the channel, like simple, this very same page, maybe a couple of years ago. But this is a simple landing page with a lot of products. And when you click each one of these offers or products, these are offers, click shop now, open on a new tab, and we can see the sales page right here. Someone is selling this, and this is an affiliate product. This is an affiliate offer. And why do I know that? Because I can see here it says affiliate ID in the URL. So when it says aff_ID, this means this is an affiliate offer. And people, when scroll down, they can see, okay, I like this product. They buy this product for, let's say, total $200, and probably the affiliate is making $100 for each sale they make. It's insane, right? I'm gonna show you how to find these type of offers in just a second, but this is the simple workflow on how you do that. You set up Pinterest ads like this or Facebook ads. I can show the same with Facebook. We can go to Facebook ads library, and in the ads library, this is facebook.com/ads/library. And then I can just select all ads here, and I can type cool gifts to see if anyone is promoting cool gifts. I'm gonna hit enter and let's see if anyone is promoting cool gifts. And it turns out that 8,700 ads are on Facebook for people promoting cool gifts. All right. All of these that you see in front of you are ads. People are paying money to show these ads to other people. Probably they're making money. If you're spending money, you better make money. And I guess that's the case with these people, because if you don't make money, why would you spend money, right? I don't want to like distract you with Facebook. I'm just showing you because the possibilities are endless, and I'm using Facebook ads, I'm using Pinterest ads. Not anymore. I mean, back in the day, I used to use a lot of Pinterest ads. I don't use that anymore because I'm focusing on something else. And this is what I suggest you do. Once you start making money with affiliate marketing, invest your money either in other businesses or create, like myself, I created a SaaS software, which is my baby now, and I'm focusing mostly on the SaaS. So on Facebook, we see people promoting this as well. If we go back to Pinterest, how do I validate if a niche or category will be profitable? Well, we go to trends.pinterest.com and we can see if something is trendy or a keyword is trendy right now. And I have typed here fishing to see if it's trendy. And as we can see, from May up until like July and August, the graph is scaling. I mean, it's up because it's summertime and people are going to fish, right? They're going to fishing. But then in the winter time, this graph declines. So if I type here cool gifts, all right, let's see cool gifts, and I hit enter, let's see what will happen. Not fishing, I want cool gifts. Booyah! What do we have here? We have a seasonal category, which is the time to promote is right now. See, throughout the entire year, February, March, May, April, June, July, very few searches. But now, after September, October, November, and December, especially 22nd of December, look at this, 22nd of December, we have the highest amount of searches for cool gifts. What that tells us is it's winter time, it's Christmas time. People are shopping for gifts, and they start shopping from now, from October, from the 5th of October, even earlier, from September, right here. We see huge spikes. This is a very, very cool offer or cool category to be in right now. You can make a ton of money, and this is how we made our money. In 3 months, we've generated almost $300,000 or $400,000. I don't remember the exact number, but we've generated $250,000 just because we got the seasonal offer. Of course, you can do fishing in the summer, then you can find another category for the spring or for the winter. You can find snowboarding, etc. Now, you have already validated the offer. You already know that there is a huge demand for cool gifts in the winter time. You already know that someone is promoting these cool gifts on Pinterest. You already know that someone, myself, spent money 4 years ago on cool gifts or insanely cool products your family will love. Now, the final thing is, how do you find these products? Okay, well, I'm glad you asked. You go to a website called Offer Vote, and this is the Offer Vote website. As you saw, here we saw 23 insanely cool gifts. When I opened this website on a new tab, we saw this website with a lot of products or affiliate offers listed on it. So first offer, Heat Wave Pro, second product, Pro Power Save, etc, etc. So basically these are affiliate e-com offers that people are promoting. The best part about e-com products, affiliate e-com products, is that they are actually CPA products, meaning cost per action. Cost per action is a bit different than affiliate marketing, because with affiliate marketing, you're getting affected by refunds. Whereas with cost per action, you're getting paid no matter if the customer decides they want a refund or not. That's why it's called cost per action. If you make a sale, you make the money and the vendor is responsible for refunds. If the customer doesn't like the product, the vendor will refund their money, but they will not take money from your bank. That's it. That's why I love CPA marketing. And I have a dedicated video about CPA marketing posted somewhere here, or maybe I'm going to post it down in the description below. Now, what we do in Offer Vote, we go to filters here, and we want to click categories, and we want to do CPA or e-commerce, CPA e-commerce. Now, Offer Vote is a marketplace for affiliate networks and for vendors. Now we have two filters selected. We have the e-com products, which are also CPA products. So now, see Shadow X Drone SS. I just see the first offer, and I remember I saw on the landing page, there you go, drone offer, boom. This is called Black Falcon, and this one was called Shadow X. So if I click this right here, we can see the affiliate network. It says Smash Loud. This is the affiliate network. And then I can click run offer, and I'm getting paid $53 every time someone signs up for this offer, and I'm not getting affected by refunds. And now I can click run offer. I open on the link, open this on a new tab, Smash Loud affiliate network. As you can see from the URL, it says affiliate sign up. So you basically fill out your information, your details, and then you click apply to sign up for this network. If we go back to Offer Vote, we can even preview the landing page, how it looks like, this Shadow X drone, whatever. So let's click preview. Okay, it actually looks very similar to the one we saw from the ad. Okay, it looks, look at this. Looks very similar. Actually, it is similar. I mean, it's maybe the same drone. Let's see without the text, with these yellow stripes here. All of these affiliate networks, what they do, they have one manufacturer that manufactures the product, and then they distribute this offer to all of their networks. I mean, each one of the networks have pretty much the same product with one manufacturer. So let's see if I click check availability, where I'm going to be redirected. So basically the same drone that we found on Offer Vote. Here is our drone that we found. This one is called Shadow Drone. Still has the yellow stripes. This one is not called anything. It has the yellow stripes. So yeah. So now we have found a topic or niche. We have validated our topic and niche by seeing people are paying money to show ads to people. And thirdly, we found the actual offer on Offer Vote. So we have everything. We have the offer. We can sign up for the network. Then we can start promoting this on Pinterest or on Facebook. Now, this involves a little bit of technical stuff for setting up the ads. And that's why I said in the beginning that it requires some work from you, and you have to devote some time. Every day, devote like a couple of hours to set up ads, to create ads. And if you are wondering how you should create Pinterest ads or Facebook ads, I'm gonna link a video here. Man, so many videos, but yeah, there are a lot of information I wanna cover, and I can't in a simple short video. So like I said, all the resources for ads, for other videos are going to be down in the description. So make sure you watch them after this one, if you want to learn, of course. But that's how you make money. Don't chase AI robots. Don't chase fancy tools. Don't chase special softwares. Just go back to the roots. Make it simple. People are trying to overcomplicate stuff. You can make a lot of money with affiliate marketing and then shift to something else. I'm still making money with affiliate marketing till this day. I have affiliate offers that I've been running, and I myself actually, I have my own affiliate products. I have my own affiliate offers, and this is what you should do. You start small. You start with being an affiliate, then you shift, you scale, you make money, you make good amount of money, and then you either scale your affiliate marketing business like one of my business partners, Mark. He's doing pretty big numbers. I had a call with him yesterday. I might actually bring him on the channel. He's making 10-15 G's every single day on ClickBank, and he doesn't want to do anything else. Whereas I wanted to quit affiliate marketing because this is how I am. This is how I function. I get bored pretty easily. So that's why I jump on a new endeavor, but only when I make the old endeavor work. So I would not get distracted until I'm making a decent amount of money with a business project. I have an e-commerce business. I have an affiliate marketing business. I've created a web agency. We've been making websites for clients. I have my own coaching. I have my own group on Facebook for affiliate marketing with more than 20,000 people. Then I created this YouTube channel because I got bored with the other stuff. Then I created a TikTok account, and now I'm creating a SaaS company. This is how I function, like I said. I just get bored with other projects. Once I make them work, I start a new endeavor. If you're that kind of a person, once you start making money with affiliate marketing, move to something else. I want to say something that I cannot stress enough. I like to cite what Warren Buffett says. And this is: your net worth is your network. The more you network with people, the more money you're going to make. This is how I met my business partner, Brian, a couple of years ago. We've made so much money. I've met him through just trying to network with people. And this is how I met Mark as well, because I was networking with people. I was attending a lot of seminars, a lot of webinars, a lot of masterminds, live, person to person, like conventions. Even till this day, last week, I was on an event about digital marketing. One of the best things you can do is talk with other individuals in the same field that you want to be in. This is the first, you're going to get so motivated. And secondly, you're going to get the know-how. You're going to learn what they do and how you can reach the same goals, or you can achieve the same as they have achieved by just talking with them. Literally, this is going to be your mentor. In the beginning, it's going to be your mentoring network, let's say. But once you start scaling, you can start mentoring other people. I don't know if that's confusing for you, but I hope you got the point. Anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click to watch these other tutorials. They're very valuable, even though some of them are old. Like you saw, why changing something if it works? And this is what I get. I have a course about ClickBank. It's called Commission Jumpstart. The information inside this course is about 2 years old. And I have some people asking me,
"Hey Ross, why don't you update the course?"
And the simple answer is, why updating something if it makes money? I have students till this day that are making hundreds of thousands of dollars a year. Even recently, I have a student who reached $240,000 on ClickBank. He won the Platinum Award for being one of the best affiliates. So why changing something if it works? Yes, if I see a major update in the entire industry, I'm going to update it. But other than that, this is the best thing I can give you. Don't change something just to change it. If it works, leave it as it is, make the most amount of money. Don't try to overcomplicate your life. If you have enjoyed this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, say hi in the comments. I would love to interact with you. Sign up for my Facebook group. Let's chat, let's talk, and I'll go ahead and watch the other videos. Cheers.